Hey, how you doing? It's your girl, your lady, 1K Yellow Diamond, and welcome. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to my channel. Hello, 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 hello. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Yes. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? I want to say, how is everybody doing today? I want to hear you. I want to hear you back there. How is everyone doing today? How is everyone doing today? I hope everybody is doing fine and fabulous. And if not, remember, you have the key to change that about your feelings, your emotions, okay? So change it. That's the hardest part in life, making a change, because we get so set in our ways and comfortable because we already know what to expect. But baby, let me tell you, when you make a change and you step out on faith, I need not say no more. When you step out on faith, you'll be all right. You'll be all right. Take God with you. Okay, so let's get into this video. I think this is going to be a quick, fast video. I always say this. You know what's so funny? I always say that this video will be a quick, fast video. And when I start editing it, it be like 14, 15. You know, each time I'm editing a video, I'm like, oh my goodness. But anyway, hey, it is what it is. You know, it is what it is, baby. Let me stop acting silly. Woo! Okay, before we carry on, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Go down. I'm talking about go up. Go down. Just go down a little. And you'll see where I have the title of the video, how many views. It have the thumbs up, thumbs down. It have a share button. It have some subscribe. If that subscribe button is red, press it, because you always want that button to be gray. Also, make sure you press all, because when you press subscribe, the gray, and it turn gray, all gonna pop up. Press up all, because I'm getting a lot of views, but I'm not getting a lot of views from where people is getting a post notification. So that's where they come in at. Yeah, and hit the thumbs up and subscribe and share this video to Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and Reddit and all that good stuff. Okay? Also, I have a Reddit page called Mukbangers. If you anything with food, if you're eating, cooking, food, go to there and join and share your videos on that. Reddit is Reddit Mukbang. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below, as well as the comment section. Pin it. Okay, as you can tell by the title, I am making some fried chicken liver. How many people have had fried chicken liver? If you have had it, comment below, say yes, or say one. Comment one if you have had fried chicken liver. And if you had it, did you cook it? And if you cooked it, how did you cook it? So I'm getting ready to cook it. This is it. Fried chicken liver. Fried chicken liver. I already opened it and washed it. So that's why it's like that. But I wanted to pour it out in the container, because usually if you pour it out, it's going to be a lot of blood. So that's how you know I washed it already. Container is trash. Next, what I'm going to do is season it. Very quick recipe. I'm going to add some salt. Salt. Sound like I'm loud. Pepper, baby. Pepper. I like a lot of pepper on my liver. Black pepper, that is. Garlic powder. That's a lot of them. Onion powder. Season it the way you want, to your likings, to your taste. Celery salt, not too much of this. Not too much of celery salt. And this way it get a little nasty. So I'm going to take my jewelry off. It gets a little nasty, which I hate. I'm going to take that off because we got to get in there and... Did I start this? Well, I had to check to see if I started the camera. Okay, so we're going to do this. Do this. Get that season on all of it. Season up, baby. Season. Okay. Next, we're going to add some, what's this? Pancake mix. Pancake mix, baby. That's it. Not that much. Let me go wash my, well, maybe I don't need to until I finish doing it. And you're going to just sift that pancake mix on your liver. You might even want to add a little bit more. Because you want to just kind of coat it like a batter. That's it. Like a batter. Next, we're going to add a tad. I want a little bit more. Woo. We're going to add a tad bit of milk. Just a little. Just a little. Let me wash my hands because I can't stand this. We're going to add some flour in a bag because yes, baby, I'm frying. And when you deep fry, baby, I use a bag to shake my extra flour on it. And I'm going to season that flour up in the bag. Just a little salt. Probably like a half a teaspoon. Not even that. I really don't season my flour. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. So I'm just seasoning with the same season that I used on the liver. So, get that all shifted up. Now we're going to add the liver, chicken liver, into the flour so we can coat that. We want it good and coated. Good and coated. Ugh. And it's best to kind of pull it one at a time because if you just dump it all in, it'll be one big ball. See how that one was stuck? One at a time. I think we're going to speed this up. Okay. Test your oil out. Just put some little flour in it. If it sizzles, that means it's ready to go. So shake that extra flour off. And let's get the frying, baby. Let's get the frying this chicken liver. See? It's going to be nice and crispy. And when you fry anything, you do not want to crowd your pan. Never do that. Because if you crowd your pan, it'll make steam. And it'll make like your batter fall off or don't stick or don't make it so it won't make it crispy. So never crowd your pan when you're frying food. So, and then don't always tamper with it. Put it in, let it sit for a minute. It depends on what you're frying. A couple of minutes, let it sit and do its thing. Then you can kind of like shake the pan or flip it over and so on. Yes, baby, fry up, fry up. I'm taking the last batch out. Yes, nice and crispy. Yes, baby. Nice and crispy. And that's it. That's all she wrote. That is it. Nice fried liver. You guys, I want to eat it so bad. So bad. I know y'all want me to taste it. But I'm going to do a mukbang with this. So check that video out. I already have posted. So if you want to see me crunch on this liver, go to the mukbang. Look, y'all. It's crispy. Ooh, hot. Good old fried southern country fried liver. All right, you guys. Until next time, bye. And welcome. I told you it wasn't going to be a long video. Because it's easy breezy, baby. Easy breezy. Alright. Go check that video. I already posted me eating it. Go check it out. Bye.